This YouTube background is fake.
And this is the original studio background.
In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can also make this fake YouTube background by using simple and amazing free tools. For example, you're going to need CapCut, which you can download from either the App Store or Android. If you're using Android, you can download from the Google Play Store. Of course, you're going to need your mobile phone or your camera, then a microphone that is optional. You're also going to need a good lighting, and I would recommend either you get or you use the sunlight. So we want to make sure that the sun is up and high, that wherever you are shooting from, it can brighten that place so you can have a clearer picture. And of course, as you are recording, you do not have to be moving too much. Just keep still and then do your thing. Again, you would need a tripod on which your camera or your phone would stand and be firm, because if it is swaying left, right, center, for example, if it is in the hands of someone, it can make the video look awkward. So it is very important you have these there. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into it.
Open your CapCut video editor. Tap on text to image up there. You'll be brought to this page where you would have to input a prompt in order for the app to generate that image you will use for our fake YouTube background. So type in your prompt in that text box right there. You see, I am typing in my prompt. So after I've finished typing, I'll just tap on generate. You see that blue icon underneath the text box. Here are the images the text to image AI gave me. So you can see it's normally generates 4 images, then you look through and then select which one you like. But I'm not so much okay with this one, so I would have to go back into the text box and give another prompt. I'm sure what will come later on can be something we can work with. So we go again. Do not forget, I'll post the prompt in the description so you can also copy, tweak it, and then use it for your own background generation. All right, so here we go. These are the new images that were generated by the AI, and I think they look pretty much better than the previous ones. So I will go with the one on the bottom left corner. Yes, I think that pretty much suits what I intend to use it for. So I am choosing that one over the rest. The next thing is to tap on that image and then go to upscale underneath, that is at the bottom. You tap on upscale and then it will open the image in a new format for you. So what you do is to save it. That is the tab next to upscale. At this point, you would want to allow it to read from 0 to 100%. The next step is to bring the video you wish to change the background onto the timeline, like this. Tap on the video on the timeline, and at the bottom, swipe to the left side and select Remove BG from the tabs that are displayed underneath. So you tap on it and go to Auto Remover, and that is at the left hand side. And again, you would have to leave it to read from 0 to 100%, and there we go. The background of that video has been removed. I'll play the video for you to see that it actually works. So there you have it. All right, we are not done yet. We are left with just a few more steps. If you have followed the tutorial up to this point, I will encourage you to kindly hit the subscribe button for more of such videos, and then videos on how to make money online using just your mobile phone. So please join the family, motivate me by liking, by subscribing, by commenting, and above all, sharing to others so that people can also benefit. So the next step is to add our background. So once again, you go down, swipe left until you see background, tap on it, and then go to image. You'll be presented with a variety of backgrounds, but you know we already have our own. We have generated one already, so we are not going for any of these ones that are being provided. The next step is to tap on the tab with a plus sign, and it will take you to your phone's gallery or wherever you save your pictures. That is our fake YouTube background we generated, so tap on it. So our fake YouTube studio background has been placed behind the video we actually edited not too long ago. So at this point, it is up to you to decide on where to place the video. So in my case, I think it will go down and occupy the bottom right, corner of the screen. That is exactly where I want it to be. So I have placed it there. If you wish to bring yours to the left, to the right, to any part of the screen, it is solely up to you. And then if you wish to make the image or the video bigger, it is still up to you. So what we will do is that we will download our video, the final way. But before you do that, if you look up, you'd see 720p. Yes, it is a video format, but in order to get the best video quality, you need to change it to 1080. So it will give you the most authentic quality or give you the best video output. So we drag till it gets to 1080p. So the next and final step is to download our video, and then you tap on the download button right next to the 1080p, and there we have it. You have several options. You can choose to download onto the device, or you can share directly to either your TikTok account or even Facebook. It depends on you. So I would want to save it onto my device, so I will choose the option that says save to device, which is written in black on a blue background. So tap on, and there you have it. Your video is being exported onto your device. So after here, you are free to post on either your YouTube channel or wherever you wish to post it. If you enjoyed this content, I would entreat you to still subscribe, like, comment, so that it motivates me to bring more your way. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.